so I'm Alia Gindi, the Miss Universe Switzerland 2022, and right now I'm in Tulungagung station and we will go to Jogjakarta. So now I just arrived 5 minutes before in the train, so I'm very happy to be here. It's very nice. We have a lot of space right here. The service is amazing, very nice. I'm very good right here and I can stay here anytime. So right now I'm in the train and I'm enjoying the view of Indonesia. We just passed Tulungagung and we're going to Jogjakarta, and it's really amazing. There is a lot of trees, a lot of nature, and I love it so much. It's so much of nature, yes, it's just amazing. And also seeing the houses of the people, how they live. I love discovering, and this is just amazing and fantastic to do it in this train. Thank you. I take this train because it's very safe and comfortable. Ayo na kereta.